Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little bit of a different video than I think I've ever done. I don't think I've ever done this before on my channel, but I am going to be reviewing a brand that I recently came across, and I'm going to be trying multiple products in that brand. So a while back, probably about a week or two, I came across a new brand at Target, and it is called Smartly, and I'd never seen it before, and at first I thought it was just the normal Up and Up brand. I've always used Up and Up products. I love them. It's just kind of a great brand to use when you want to save a little money and still get pretty much the same product. So I've always liked Up and Up, and that's what I thought the Smartly brand was. But after doing my research, I realized that Up and Up and Smartly are completely separate. They are not the same. I assumed that maybe Target was changing all the Up and Up products over to Smartly products, and so far I have not found that that is confirmed or anything, so I reviewed this as a completely different brand. And surprisingly, I was actually pretty happy with the products I came across. Now, judging based on the website, the Target website, and all the products Smartly has, my store actually was out of quite a bit. But I tried what I could get my hands on, and so far I think for the channel wise, these are some actually the better products that I feel like I would use more often or continue buying. So I'm just gonna jump right on in and talk about each of the products I have. I have about 6 here that I was able to purchase, and I will say that Smartly is a very, very cost-effective brand. So if you want great products for, little money, then honestly, I would recommend. I will go through and I will discuss each product and what I liked about it, and if I would repurchase, if I would recommend it. So let's just jump right in. So the first one I'm gonna try, I think is honestly my favorite from the brand, is the Hand and Body Lotion. Now I got they don't have a scent on here, they just say it smells like a Meadow. So I'm gonna say this is the Meadow brand, or the Meadow scent. So this is the Smartly Hand and Body Lotion, and it says it smells like a Meadow. This smells very, very good. I'm trying to place it. I know this smells like another product that I love the smell of, but I can't place it. But it smells very florally, very kind of like, it reminds me of the spring when you walk outside and you kind of smell the flowers and the grass and everything, and it smells really good. This hand lotion, I use it for my hands, so I actually bought this to put right next to my sink because if you've been following my channel, I have moved to Ohio, and right now we are very, very cold and dry outside. Right now it actually, today it's like 1 degree. So it's very cold. My hands have been getting very, very dry and cracking, and they've been hurting really bad. And so I decided to give this bottle a try, and I actually really like it. So when I'm done doing the dishes or washing my hands, I will put a pump or two on my hands, and this actually has made my hands feel so good. It's not super greasy feeling once it absorbs into the skin. It's just a really nice lotion for really anything. So this bottle is a 20 floor ounce bottle, and this was only $1.99. So I will have to say, for the price, it is a great product. Now I haven't tried the other scents because I think the Meadow, and there was maybe one other scent, but I got the other scent in another product, and I kind of want to try as many scents as I possibly could. So highly, highly recommend the lotion. It's really nice. Okay, the next product that I tried is the liquid hand soap, and this one smells like lavender. So lavender hand soap. Now this I actually really enjoyed. I'm not a huge fan of lavender whatsoever, and the only time I've ever found that I like lavender is in a diffuser. But any other lavender scents I'm not a fan of. Like the Mrs. Meyer's lavender, I can't stand for the life of me. I've tried, but that scent, it just bothers me. But this lavender literally smells like I opened an essential oil bottle of lavender. Like it's coming right onto my diffuser, and I absolutely love it. I'm usually very picky with my hand soaps, very picky, because like I said, my hands get really dry, and I used to be a religious user of Bath & Body Works hand lotions, but over the years I've realized that they do cause my hands to dry out very quickly and crack, and it has not been great. And the only other hand lotion I have found that works well for me is actually the Mrs. Meyer's, any scent really, but I stick to the honeysuckle and the basil, stuff like that. But this one actually did not dry my hands out or hurt my hands in any way. I actually really enjoyed this. It was like a nice soft gel, and it just smelled good. The scent does linger on the hands, but it's a very, very subtle scent, so it's kind of just a nice little, you know, whiff of lavender every once in a while. So it is, I do recommend this. And this one, I want to say, I'm going to actually pull up the Smartly products on Target so I can tell you. Okay, hand soaps are 99 cents. So that is a great deal for 10 fluid ounces. So I would say pretty good deal. Okay, next product is their Gentle Body Wash. And I got the scent Smells Like a Blossom. Now this one I was really excited about because the scent is just so floral, and I love anything floral. So I was really, really excited about this. And I had visitors over the past weekend, and they actually tried this body wash in the shower, and they loved it. I had them come to me, and I'm sorry, Kane's getting in the way. I had them come to me and ask me where I had purchased it, and you know, how much it was and everything, because they really enjoyed it. It smells really good, it lathers really well, and it just feels really nice on the body. Now this, I believe, was $1.99 for 20 fluid ounces. Why do I keep saying floor ounces? I apparently can't speak today. But 20 fluid ounces for $1.99, and it does really well. The scent isn't overpowering, kind of like the hand wash. It stays on your body, just, it's a very, very light scent. So it's not like super strong where you're gonna smell it all day long. So I feel like if you do have a sensitive nose, this shouldn't cause an issue, but again, everybody's different. So I recommend it for the price and the scent. Granted, this is the only scent I've tried in the body wash, so maybe a different scent would be good. I personally will probably buy every product in the Blossom scent because I absolutely love it. So highly, highly recommend this. Next, I was really excited about was the all-purpose cleaner, and I got the Ocean scent. So this, when I bought this gigantic bottle of 32 fluid ounces, was, I want to say it was on sale for like $1.60 something. Let me double check again. Okay, $1.59. $1.59 for 32 floor ounces. Now, this excited me because I go through all-purpose cleaner like crazy. Different brands, and I am one that I like to stick with the Mrs. Meyer's, the Method. I'll do some Caldrea every once in a while. I will do the Honest, and sometimes I think it's the Clorox Scentiva when I want an actual disinfectant one and not one that's just like an all-purpose cleaner. So for a deep clean, I do use the Scentiva. Obviously, this is just an all-purpose cleaner, so it is not a disinfectant. So if you want a really deep clean, I probably wouldn't recommend this one, but this is a good all-purpose cleaner to have on hand during the day, you know, when your kids make a little bit of a mess or there's a little bit on the counter and you just want to clean it up. This did really well. I tested it. I can't remember what my husband got on the counter, but it's stuck on there. And so it did take me 2 or 3 applications of this on that spot on the counter to take it off. But besides that, it cleaned really well. So if it's a really, really like tough spot, it might take 2 or 3 times to clean it up properly. But if you just want a simple, gentle clean on your counter throughout the day, it does work really well, especially for the price of $1.59. You can't beat it. The only complaint I would say would be the smell. So this is supposed to smell like the ocean. To me, it doesn't smell like the ocean. I would say it's more comparable to like a manly scent, so man's body wash or, you know, shampoo, or maybe a cologne, I would say. I've never been a fan of the men's body wash scent in things other than men's body wash, so that kind of threw me off with this. If anything, I would probably try it in the other scent that I haven't talked about is a Citrus Grove scent. So I would probably try this in a Citrus Grove and see how I like that. But other than that, cleaning wise, this was a great product. Just the scent isn't my all-time favorite. So again, I would recommend this for the price. Okay, I'm almost done. So the next product I'm going to talk about is the liquid dish soap, and this is the Citrus Grove. So this bottle is 10 fluid ounces. It smells so good. If you love the scent of citrus, then this one I highly, highly recommend. I've recently found that I've started actually enjoying the smell of citrus. I've not been a fan, like I said, until recently. Probably within the last year I've started liking it, and this one actually smells really good. So for 10 fluid ounces, this is only about 79 cents. So I think it's a great price. Again, you can't beat 79 cents for this. So now one of the only complaints I have about this dish soap is the bottle. Obviously, it's a simple bottle, it's a nice bottle, but I find if you use it in this actual bottle, you're gonna use a lot more product than you need. So what I would recommend is maybe if you have a glass bottle, for example, I have one from the Grove that you can refill with any dish soap you want. So I find that if I put this in there, I don't use as much. So the 79 cents, I know it's a lot, but the 79 cents stretches out. So I did find with this that it lathers really well, it cleans really well. When it says it cuts grease, but when something's really greasy, I find that I have to use a little bit more, but I tend to do that with really any dish soap I use. Granted, I'm pretty religious to the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, but I find if it's super greasy, I have to use a little bit more in Mrs. Meyer's as well. So I guess that would be preference. You know, if you want something that really, really cuts grease and you think that Dawn is the best and whatnot, that is completely up to you. But so far, I think that this works really well, and I would probably repurchase. Okay, and the last product, it's probably really weird because all the other 5 products have been cleaning products, but this is the other one that I found on the shelf next to all this, and I was pretty interested in it. And this is the Shave Foam, and this is in the scent Summertime. So I have tried this, and this is 10 ounces, and this bottle was only 99 cents. So it is a good deal as well. So when I bought this, I didn't read any reviews or anything until after I got home. And a lot of people were saying that they didn't like this because it dried out their skin, the smell was terrible, and there was some pretty bad reviews, but it didn't. I'm one that typically if I see a couple bad reviews, I'm like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. But this does have 5 stars, surprisingly. Okay, well now when I look at the reviews, the bad reviews are not there. Maybe it was a different scent or something I was reading on. But, oh, it was the Blossom scented shave foam was the one that had the bad reviews. Okay, so the Blossom is the one that had the bad reviews. But Summertime on the website has 5-star reviews, and I do have to agree. For 99 cents, a little of this went a long way. I love the smell. It does, I'm trying to smell it, can't smell it. But from what I remember when I did use it, it did remind me of summer. Kind of like, I can't remember if it was coconut. I think it was like a suntan lotion kind of smell. I love suntan lotion smells. I'm probably a weirdo for that, but I do. So I would recommend the Summertime one for 99 cents. If you want to try the Blossom one, I will probably try the Blossom because I absolutely loved the body wash. Even though it has bad reviews, I will probably try it and give it a shot for myself and see how I like it. Since I liked the Summertime, I'll just try it to see if I like it. And if I don't, then I'll kind of give you guys an update. But so far, out of all 6 of the products that I purchased, I don't think that I don't like one of them. There's little things here and there that I don't like about certain products, you know, the scents or something like that. But other than that, I really, really enjoyed this brand. And I think for everything that I purchased, it was under $12 that I got 6 items between hand lotions, shaving cream, body wash, all of it under $12. You cannot beat that. So I definitely think that Smartly is a great brand for someone that likes to shop very cost effectively. So if you're one that you want the best product that you can get for your money, give this brand a shot. I am in no way sponsored or anything. I just went to Target and I found them and I spent my own money on them, and I thought I would try it out because I haven't heard too much about this brand. So I wanted to try it and maybe give it a shout out. I didn't know if I was gonna like it, love it, hate it, you know, maybe need more time. And I think that I will continue to use the Smartly brand because, like I said, you cannot go wrong with a product that works well for very, very little money. So highly, highly recommend it. Go to your local Target, see what scents they have. If you want me to try different scents or different products, please let me know. I would love to try it. I think the only thing I can't try from Smartly is the dishwashing detergent. I do not have a dishwasher in my new house. It's a little bit of a struggle, but I think that's like the only thing I can't try. So if you want me to try more products from them, I know that they have a laundry detergent and things like that. So if you want me to try more, please let me know. I would love to try more. I would love to give more recommendations. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope maybe this will inspire you to try a new product or a new brand next time you're at Target. And if you like this, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you want more product reviews or brand reviews, cleaning videos, or whatnot, please subscribe, leave a comment down below, you know, introduce yourself. I'd love to get to know my followers a little bit more. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.